So I'm saying that universe will end with that where sun will get after a 50 billion or little billion years ago, it will be become white after something else, and its heat coming out will stop, and also like sun the other stars will also do like that, it will become white dwarf and like that, and where universe don't get that much heat, so only because of that we get a cold only, so there is no heat in the universe, so it will be destroyed, I think. And next I searched in that because of some new gravity like that, the we are a universe will bounce, like a shape will come, and universe will bounce and shape will be blah 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 blah, and yeah, like that it will destroy also saying. And I think, yeah, finish.